Hello everyone, welcome back. So today, as you all can see with these colors here, we are going to make one nice Independence Day craft. Okay, for that we need A4 size paper, orange, green, small piece of white paper, glue, fevicol, scissors, of course, stapler if required. Okay, so if you are not comfortable with fevicol, you can use stapler also. Okay, I'll be telling you how. And so let's start. So we are making cap here. Okay, so first let's take orange paper. Let's keep these two aside for now, and we'll be using just orange for now. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will measure. Okay, we are going to cut two strips here with orange. Okay, and cut them vertically. Keep your sheet like this and cut them vertically. Okay, and the width will be of 3 centimeters. Okay, so we'll mark points on 3 centimeters. So let's mark one here, one in the center or just lower than the center. Okay, one at the bottom. So we'll mark 3 points here at 3 centimeters each, and now we'll cut two strips, okay, of 3 centimeter wide. So what we are going to do is we will make a line here, okay, so like this, one and one more. Okay, so we'll cut two strips of 3 centimeters width, and length will be of your A4 size, whole of your sheet. Okay, so let's cut two strips here now. Okay, so our two strips are ready here. Okay, and now you're going to check that if it folds, it fits your head or not. Okay, first check with this. If one is fitting your head, then it's okay. Otherwise, what we are going to do is we are going to paste two together. Okay, and then we're going to fold it and then see that how much it fits in your head, because it's a cap. Okay, so it should fit your head. So I'll paste. Okay, I'll paste it. You can use fevicol for this, or you can use stapler for this. Anything can work. Okay, so let's go with little easier method here. We'll use a stapler. So we staple. Okay, and now we're going to, we'll not paste it. Okay, we'll just see that, okay, this fine, okay, or not. Okay, so you need to adjust it according to your head. Okay, अपने सर में लगा के देखना. If it fits you, then it is okay, and if it doesn't fit you, or if you want to apply one more strip of this orange paper, you can. Now please don't paste it right now. Keep this aside. ठीक है, इसको साइड में रखेंगे अभी. Now we will cut a square. Okay, so we'll measure it that, okay, this much is the width here. So we'll cut a square of white color paper. So I'll just quickly tell you the measurements. Give me a minute. The measurements here are 4 by, you can go with 4 by 3 or 3 by 3. Okay, so mine is one is like quite extra, so I'll go with 3 by 3 here. ठीक है, 3 इतना, and now I'll just make a point here. 3 by 3 का square. Okay, 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters square. Okay, so one square is ready, 3 by 3. This is ready, and now what about the green part? Let's take out a green part. Now this will be the cover of the cap. Okay, so this is the band here. So we'll put the band like this. Okay, and Just put it on your green paper. Put it. Okay. Now make a semicircle. Okay. Put it on your green paper. Just hold it nicely. And from here make a semicircle. At what kind of cap cover you want. Okay. And just trace this part also. Just trace this part also. Fine. See, now what we are going to do is, this is our cap here. If it is not visible, I'll just tell you again. We'll put our band on green paper. Okay. We'll put it like this. And now we're going to make the cover. Make a semicircle like this. Okay. And just trace this part also. अब इसको हटा देंगे बैंड को. We'll keep this orange strip aside. Now what we are going to do is, we have this tracing here. Okay. So we will extend it a little bit. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर कर देंगे इसको. ठीक है. इधर से भी और यहाँ से भी. ठीक है. सेमी सर्कल बना के उसको बैंड को ट्रेस करके आपने अब थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको लाइन एक्सटेंड करना है. ओके. जस्ट एक्सटेंड द लाइन लिटिल बिट so that this part will stick behind this band here. Now we'll cut this. Okay. So we'll quickly cut it. So if you are doing along me, please quickly cut it. And please be careful with the scissors. If you want to take help, please take help from any elder around you. Now we'll see, we'll just suppose let's make it here. Okay, let's just paste it here. All right. So just adjust it according to your head, and wherever it comes, it fits you, just staple there that portion. Okay, got it. Now this is the cover of our cap. So we'll put it like this. अब क्या करेंगे? If you can see here, if I put my strip band like this and my cover like this, so ये थोड़ा हमारा, we are able to see this part. Okay, we are able to see this part. Now what we are going to do is, we will stick this part with orange one. How we are going to do that? We are going to make two cuts here. One cut here, one cut here. Okay, and now we are going to fold it. Simple. So it will look like this. One cut here, and then fold it. And then fix your band. Okay, put Fevicol here. Put some Fevicol here. Don't put the Fevicol on orange part, okay? Put it on the green part. Put your Fevicol here. Now this is our band here. We'll put it till here. And now we'll stick it. See now? This cap is like, we'll just, little pressure is required here. Okay? So just be careful with your sticking part, because this is little tricky. So your cap will look like this. Okay, so you will be putting it in your head here, and this part will cover. Okay, and now we have this small square here. We are going to paste it here, and before pasting we are going to make a wheel inside it. Either use any circular object, okay, or directly with your blue sketch pen. Just make a circle. And make lines, sleeping, standing, slanting. This way you're going to make wheel. And then paste the wheel in the center. Okay, it should be in the center. Just see. Got it? Now, by mistake, staple sides are here. So just try to cover the staple sides. Just rotate it a little bit. Okay, once you do. So this way your cap is ready. If you want to doodle it, may add some designs here, you can, and wear it and click a nice picture and share the picture with me. Okay, have a good day. Very happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.